Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Math Wiz. This is my first video that I'm posting. I'm probably posting about this because I'm studying this in my class. So let's get on with this. So today we're going to be learning about solving equations. I'm going to be using this as a reference because I need some questions. Okay, so let's get started. So as you see, I've already prepared a question on the board. 12x plus 3 equals 51. How in the world are we supposed to solve this? Okay, so first of all, I ignore the x first and I just leave it aside. Note, this is my method to solving this. If your teacher has a different method, or if you have a method that's easier and that is more precise, then yeah, you can use that method. I'm not forcing you to use this, but this is what I do. So yeah, let's just let's just use it for now. Okay. So I just leave this aside. So and I just like ignore it. So then it becomes 12x equals to 51 minus 3. So you're wondering why 51 minus 3? So basically in algebra, we switch everything around. So basically 51 minus 3. So this is plus becomes a minus, and then we switch it the other way around. So 51 minus 3 equals to 48, right? So then, next step, we bring this down. So 12x equals to 48 over 12. Ta-da! That's the answer. That's it. Okay, it's really that easy. So don't think that algebra is like super hard, but this is like one of the basics, and I think this is like what you learn in your 7 or your 8, depending what your school is. But basically, I think most teachers, they require you to write it as decimal form. So you divide this by this, and then the answer will be. So then, we'll write the answer as 4. Because 12 goes into 48 4 times. So the answer is 4. Usually, if this is an irrational number, you will put point something 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 something, but this is perfect. So yes, this is all. But if you want me to do another example, okay, yeah, sure, I will do it, and we'll do another example. So let me just clear everything in here. Clear everything. Okay, so next, 21x plus 5 equals to 257. Oops. Wait. Sorry. 257. So, can you take like a moment to like pause this video and solve this by yourself using the same method as I showed you earlier? I will give you 10 seconds. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you solved it yet? Have you? Okay, it's okay if you didn't. I know that it's hard. So, basically, same operation, same thing. Basically, yeah, same operations. So I might have to use a calculator for this, or may not. I'm not sure what I have to do, but yeah, let's just see if I can do mental calculation. Okay, so we ignore this. We'll ignore you. 21 will ignore. Just ignore this. Don't bring it up yet. If not, it'll just make like everyone confused. I know the x makes everyone confused. Okay, so we bring this down. So 21x equals to 257. As I said, bring the operation around. plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Same thing. 200. Why do I keep writing it the other way around? Sorry, I'm so sorry. 257 minus 5. And then we bring down this operation. So the answer, 21x equals to blah 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 252. So this is the answer. That's all. That's it. But of course we need to bring it down again. So x equals to 252 over 21. So then the final answer will be oops, sorry, what happened? And final answer will be x equals to 12. So, do you understand, or you still need help? If you still need help, feel free to rewind this video. There's no problem in making mistakes and not understanding, because I had that plenty of times. So this is the easy, this is like, I don't know, I just call it level 1 in the whole worksheet, but yeah, this is like the basics. So I will clear everything. Let me clear everything. So let's move on to another question. So this question will be slightly more difficult. So as you see, like, all these questions are the same, and just note that even though it's a T or an M, don't get confused. It's the same thing as X, but if you see two different operations with two different letters, it means that they are not equal. So just take note of that. They're not like the same, like, yeah, equal operations. We'll explain more in part 2. This is part 1, so we'll just do the basics in part 1. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to brackets. Okay, so 2 bracket 3x plus 5. 2 bracket 3x plus 5 bracket equals to 34. You might know it's kind of the same for the last steps. Some people note that, but it's a bit different. As you can see, there was a bracket, so don't ignore this bracket and think it's just a normal operation. It's not. So yes. So but yeah, the bracket, as if you know order of operation, you do the bracket first. But let's just get on with this. Okay. So, for this operation, we multiply the number outside with the numbers inside. So, the number becomes 6x plus 10 equals to 34. Just note this is a plus, not a 4. I'm sorry, I didn't have space to add it. Let me just, yeah, plus 10 equals 34. So then, what do we do? What do you think? I will give you time to answer this. Ding, 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 ding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. What do you think? So, what did I tell you about switching up operations in the old video? Can you think how to do that? Easy. So, ignore this first. Just ignore it. So then we put 6x equals to 34. 4 minus minus 10. So then 6x equals to 24. Oops, sorry, 24. So x equals to 24 over 6. And then what do? We divide. Exactly. Same process, same answer. No, but it's a coincidence that's the same answer from the first question I did, but don't think it's the same, but this is the method of doing it. So then x equals to 4. Ding 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 ding. We got the answer. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Confetti! Yay! 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 Okay, so I know some of you may be a bit confused, but basically it's the same rules except you have to multiply both of it. So if some of you are a little stuck, don't worry, I'll do one more example and then we'll have to end this video. So I will be doing part 2 tomorrow, where I explain how you make formulas, and more advanced version of this thing. But let's just move on to the other example. So let me clear this whiteboard. Yes. And let's move on. Okay, so next example. 4 bracket 2x. 4 bracket 2x minus 3 equals to 52. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add the bracket. So this is the question. So what do you think? Don't get fooled by the minus. It's the same it's the same process. Just switch it around. Minus plus. Plus minus. Don't get confused. Same thing. Don't worry. So what do you think? Ding 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 ding. Have you thought of the answer yet? Okay, if you did, great. If you didn't, come follow me. Well, we solve this answer. With this problem. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Okay, so same thing. Multiply and multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. So then it will become 8x minus 12 equals to 52. Okay, so what do you think is the answer to this? We have so far done, I don't know, 3 examples. This is the 4th. So I'll give you a bit of time to think about this. Maybe I'll give you 30 seconds to think about it. Okay, 1, 2, ding 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 ding. Do you like my music? Ding 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 ding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Ding 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 ding. So have you got the answer yet? If you didn't, that's okay. It's okay. We're almost done solving this. Okay, so let's move on. So same thing. We flip it around, and don't get fooled by this minus sign. Don't think that this minus sign is here to fool you. Just switch it around. Okay, just switch it around. Oh yes, and note to any user who does not know their multiplication table or does not know how to add or subtract, please click another video to learn that first. And you need to go up through like a few math topics before you learn algebra. But for me, it's not that difficult. but some parts are quite difficult for me, honestly. And to be honest, nobody is perfect. So don't think that you're stupid. As Albert Einstein said, you can't judge. Everybody is smart, and if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, nobody will appear smart. So yes, nobody's perfect. So don't worry about it. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so same thing. So 8x equals 2. Switch it around. Switcheroo. 52 plus 12. As I said, minus plus minus plus minus equals 264. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah, it's basically the answer. So basically x equals 264 over 8. But as I said, you have to put it in a decimal form or just an ordinary number form. So the answer in the end of the day is, drumroll, just divide this yourself. The answer is 8. Bum 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 bum. No, what did I do? Ugh. Why did Google Maps? Okay, never mind. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be filming part 2 tomorrow, so I hope you stick around for that. And I hope to see you next time. And if you like this video, please like it. And please subscribe to Math Wiz. And if you like math and history as well, consider subscribing to my channel and Friendship. So that is the end of my video today, and I hope I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I have time to film a video tomorrow, but this is the end today, so I bid you a farewell and good night.